Yo, what's going on, you guys? Back at it again with another hotel review. Alright, I recently stayed at what felt like a whole condominium inside a hotel. The studio style space was located in the Fort Lauderdale area, right at the Hyatt House in Dania Point, Florida. This location had a big plus, surrounded by shops, restaurants, and even a movie theater. 40X, by the way. The hotel itself had some great amenities like a 24-hour gym, a pool, and complimentary breakfast. We love some free breakfast here. I say it's a solid option whether you're traveling solo for the weekend or visiting with family. That said, I rate my overall experience a 3.9 out of 5. The main downside was the noise in the hallway at night. Yeah, that was a bit disruptive. Anyways, have you ever stayed at the Hyatt Hotel? I'd love to hear your experience. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'm out. Peace.